Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a Pinterest account step by step. So make sure to stick around till the very end to fully understand each step and get started with Pinterest effortlessly. So let's get started. First things first, download the Pinterest app from your device app store. And once the download is complete, click on open and you will see the options to sign up right on the home page. Now Pinterest offers multiple ways to create an account. You can sign up with your email address, Google account, or even Facebook account. So you can choose whichever method you prefer. In my case, I will sign up with email. So here what you have to do is enter your email address. After this, create a strong password and then you have to add your age. And when you're ready, click on continue to move forward. Next, Pinterest will ask you for a few details to help personalize your experience. So choose your language and country and then click on next. After that, Pinterest may ask you about your interest. Don't worry about getting too specific here. Just pick few topics that interest you and then Pinterest will use this information to fill your home feed with ideas that you will love. And once you have selected a few interests, click on done to move forward. And with that, you have officially created your Pinterest account. That's it for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.